Good morning, traders. Right here on the home page, buy now, pay later. It's right here on the home page. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the page introducing buy now, pay later program. For those that don't have credit, for those that don't have a stock account, don't care to have it, you can buy and be invested. All you have to do is read the program. Why is buy now, pay later for trades? Okay. How does it work? It's got a complete description of what the rules and the requirements are. It's your chance to be invested. There is a sign up program. There is everything that you need with buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later is right here on the home page. Click on it. You get to get rid of capital gains. No more capital gains tax. No more tax. It pays for your investment. You get to be fully invested. Year-end investment. Buy now, pay later program. It works for you. You don't have to fund a full trading account to be invested. Wake up. Take advantage of buy now, pay later. Fill out the form. Sign up. Text me 503-753-0062. Text me now.